Happening this weekend, a 5K run and walk will raise money to support medical resources for those in need. This morning we say hello to Stacy Doyle and Linda Gibson of the Genesee County Free Medical Clinic, talking about this event and how you can support the mission. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, good. First off, looking great. You brought the t-shirt today.
Yeah.
And I see on here it says 29 years.
Yes.
Talk a little bit more about what you've been up to over the past 29 years.
Oh my goodness. We serve over 1,000 patients a year. So times that by 29, we've served almost 30,000 patients in Genesee County.
Yeah, what exactly do you do?
We provide primary care, temporary primary care for the uninsured and underserved in Genesee County. So everything you would get at a normal doctor's office, you would make an appointment and get at the free clinic from our wonderful volunteer physicians, nurses, pharmacists, just a great group of volunteers that come together to serve our patients.
Well, and why is that needed?
Because there are many individuals in Genesee County that don't have health care coverage, and they may end up in the hospital, or they may be going through the emergency room, and then when they get out, they don't have health coverage. And they can then go to the Genesee County Free Medical Clinic, and they will help them be able to apply for Medicaid or get services, apply through Genesee Health Plan and other insurance organizations, and so that's why it's really important.
So you're addressing a real need there.
Yeah.
And you know, how does it make you feel to be a part of that mission?
Oh my goodness, that's what Linda's one of our board members, and that's what attracted her to the clinic and to help us out like she has.
Yeah.
The people that volunteer at that organization are amazing, and the services that they provide are just so needed in this community, and the work they do is it's just wonderful.
Well, and where does this event come into play as far as supporting what you do?
It raises a third of the funds for the clinic. We operate solely on donations and grants and the wonderful support of community sponsors and volunteers. So this is a third of the funds that helps our clinic's patients.
Well, tell us all about Healing Hands.
Oh my goodness.
And so the Healing Hands race has been going on for 29 years, as you saw on the front of the shirt.
A great tradition.
A great tradition. And for me, it's very important in two ways, because I'm a walker. I'm a crim walker, and so I love to participate in this race. And then also it gives me an opportunity to give back to the community, and because I so believe in the mission that this clinic has for the people in this community that need health care services.
Well, it's such an easy way to support what you're doing. Talk about how folks can get involved here.
Oh, there's a QR code on the brochure, and that's out there, but they can call our office and register. They can register on the Emotive website. We are a CRIM voucher race, and it's just a good time. If you don't want to run or walk, come on out. We have a good time. We're going to have volunteers doing blood pressure checks and blood sugar tests, and just interact. Promote that healthy activity. And we also need volunteers, so it's also a great way to get volunteer nurses and keep that support going for our community and our patients.
So when and where is this 5K happening, and how can people sign up?
Good question.
So it's happening at Mott Community College, and the registration is at the Prawl Center this year, and so you can sign up now. You can register by going on the Genesee County Free Medical Center website, or you can sign up and register when you get to the race that morning.
Yes, again, the Healing Hands 5K, all benefiting the Genesee County Free Medical Clinic, and you don't want to miss it. A great way to support people in our community, right?
Yes, it is.
Well, and you do have your running shoes on today.
Yes,
your walking
I do.
shoes. You're ready to go. So.
Yes, I am.
Well, best of luck with everything.
Oh, thank you so much.
And congrats on 29 years.
All right, thank
Wonderful.
you.